Getting annoyed with the tier0-s64.dll error causing your game to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's fix the link between your engine and your system architecture. Before we start the tier0-s64 configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the tier0-s64, the Source Engine Tier0 64-bit library. It manages the unmanaged localized core system called localized abstraction and localized low-level memory allocation for localized 64-bit localized Source Engine games, e.g. Counter-Strike 2. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Tier0-s64 is commonly included with older game runtimes. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore DirectX-based components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is tied to OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the tier0-s64 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Be aware that manual fixes for tier0-s64.dll often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for tier0-s64. If this diagnostic helped you resolve tier0-s64 error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.